Okay, the next part is going to be a thread mill coming in, and it's going to go down to the bottom and come out like this. First we're going to let this come down. Maybe put a little more coolant on there. Turn the coolant off. Single block. Make sure our height offset's right. It's 250 to go. You can see the beginning shapes of threads there, which looks good, but we have to check it with a screw. Just going in there nice. Next thing I want to do is cut off parts on the bottom and just leave a little tab to break. I checked that with the screw, so now I'm going to check it with the thread gauge. So this is not going in, so that means that most of the time screws are a little bit looser than perfect size threads. Now it's going in there. I think we're going to take a little bit of work offset off, or tool offset off that, and run that again. So we're going to reset, set. That's tool 10 plus 30. Because of this machine, I have to add 30 to the tool offset. So we're on 40. So we're going to go minus 0.0008, which is really going to take about 1.5 thousandths out of there. So we're just going to run that tool. Everything should be good, so there we are with threads down to the bottom.